House party in the city, everybody in the feelings are already throwing up. Stories in the house.
Hey fam, thank you again for having time to view this video. So today I want to show you one of the cheapest camping sites in the 254, which is Kimana camping site. But first of all, I want to give a shout out to Safari Updates, Bosveld Adventures and Twilighttrek Travels because they made this possible. On reaching Kimana, we had to do the first things first, which was setting up our camps.
Give me a freestyle moody for higher key. Checking for my shorty, I'm giddy on my jealousy. Not just any, I'm so choosy. Seeing myself in the mirror, man, I'm too boozy. I'm sitting in some bikini, she's heading to jacuzzi. I'm gonna rock the bay while singing some little Ozzy. Picking on my bros, getting some party girls, filling all my cups, clubbing all night long in that sea.
So this camping site isn't bad because they have middle class rooms and they charge 1,000 per night, of which to me was quite affordable. Was affordable actually. They also have a restaurant and bar just in case you're looking for food and drinks. Amboseli National Park is majestically a home of large elephant herds, and it's also a stunning place to view the impressive Mount Kilimanjaro, which is the highest mountain in Africa and the highest freestanding mountain in the world. If you know me from my previous video, I'm all about views and sceneries, and I'm telling you, Amboseli National Park, man, you have to visit this place. So anyway guys, thank you for viewing this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscription button and wait for the next upload, because like I always assure you, the next upload will always be greater than the previous. Thank you.